Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, Tuesday. Ours your Monday. Here we go again. Another week. Another week. We had rainstorms last night. So apparently our lights were out. I didn't know it because I was knocked out. Our lights were out for a couple hours, my daughter said, but I slept through it. Today, regular schedule, already made breakfast. Let me show you what I made. My daughter, I have it in the oven, or I have it in the microwave waiting, and then I'll just rewarm it a little bit. That's what I got her. Oops, probably can't see it. Let me take it out. Got something a bit different today. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Got lunch packed and everything. 3 more weekends and then I'm back to work. 3 more weekends to do stuff. Because, you know, my weekends are now going to be Tuesday, Wednesdays off. So, yeah. No more Saturday, Sunday unless I take a vacation day or something. For breakfast, I am having papaya and yogurt. Some vanilla yogurt today. Yeah, give my body a little bit of break. Later, I'm gonna make some chicken, and I may do a little bit of a stir fry with chicken and the remaining pieces of ham I have. We'll see. I don't know if I have any salad in the refrigerator, but I have vegetables, so probably do some broccoli. Yeah, it's gonna be just another quiet day with this rain all week. I think up to Saturday it may be raining. This weekend I think we're gonna take a break. Tomorrow we probably, since my daughter is off tomorrow, we'll probably go into a different area of Virginia and check out some houses out there. See what the homes look like, the new homes. We decided we'll look for, oh my goodness, the drawer's getting packed. Decided to look for something with more acreage here locally where we live. That way we won't be far from work. So we'll see. But first, we'll see where they're gonna place me so that I can get it in between my job and my daughter's job. Because if I get it on the other side of town, that's a little bit too far. And blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. Anyway, guys, let's see what's going on outside here. I go on my patio to see what's going on. All right, so whatever storm came through, look at that, it's wet. I think it's still raining too. I think it is still raining. Wow, I am so glad I have those plastic on, because child. Yeah, I bought an extra plastic and I put over the coffee table there. But hopefully the wind will come through and clean things up. I guess all the dead leaves are finally almost gone. You just see a few on the ground out there. Let me open this up a little bit. I like to get some fresh air in the house in the morning. So there's a mesh there, so yeah. Umbrella. I kept the umbrella up so it can get washed, because all kind of critters keep doing stuff on there. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a bit.